My lord, the petitioner number 1, my lord, is the Upapradhan of Betkundu Gram Panchayat. Petitioner number 2 is the Pradhan. Petition number 3 and 4 are the members, and petition number 5 is a primary school teacher, my lord. There are 5 persons, my lord, before your lordship. My lord, they belong to the party in opposition. Now, my lord, if your lordship may kindly takes up page number 105 to 190. My lord will see a series of criminal cases which are there in these pages. Pages 105 to 119. Now, as your lordship, my lord, got series of criminal cases, my lord, of various natures are there. It is of wrongful restraint, assault, kidnapping, extortion, everything is there. My lord, these are the criminal cases, my lord, of the victim. My lord, the victim is a hooligan of the ruling dispensation who used to terrorize the location in question. Now, my lord, the local villagers present there, my lord, they revolted against this particular hooligan who is the victim. And, my lord, as a result thereof, this victim expired. Now, my lord, the police officers, what they do on receiving a completely politically motivated criminal case, my lord, right during the parliamentary elections, my lord, registered this case against these 5 petitioners who are not even belonging to the same locality. My lord, this is in one, if your lordship see the addresses of these petitioners, they are minimum residing 7 to 10 kilometers away. They have nothing to do with this incident. But, my lord, just to usurp this particular Gram Panchayat's control, they have been named in the FIR. My lord, at that point of time, we filed this writ petition because we apprehended that this kind of investigation which is being done is a politically motivated and targeted investigation. If it was a local hooligan who was assaulted randomly by local villagers, and instead of that, they politically targeted us. Now, my lord, at that point of time, the writ petition was filed. My lord, my prayers was that this has to be transferred to an independent agency where, my lord, by any SIT formed by this honorable court, because the truth has to come out, or that, and the, my lord, the interim relief was of no coercive measure. Now, my lord, our fears came right. My lord, why? I'll tell your lordship. Now, my lord, first and foremost, your lordship may kindly see what is the FIR. My lord, the FIR is at page 46 to 57. If your lordship may kindly see page 46. My lord, how are they describing this incident? If your lordship may kindly takes up, my lord, the formal portion of the FIR, which is at page number 46.
Yes.
My lord, over here, my lord, the names of the petitioners, if your lordship may kindly takes up page number 47, would come at serial number 3. My lord, who is the petitioner number 1? Serial number 18, who is the petitioner number 2?
Serial number? Actually, page.
And my lord, they have all been...
Page 47.
Page 47, my lord, serial number 2 is, my lord, the petition number 1. But she has been named.
Subrata Pal.
My lord, serial Jhorna Rani Das, my lord. 3.
Jhorna.
Yes, my lord. That is the petition number 1 before your lordship.
Now
your lordship may kindly turns to page number 48. My lord, serial number 18 over there. Ordhindu Jana, my lord. Has your lordship, my lord, got it? My lord, has your lordship got it? Last bottom of the page. That is petition number 2. Now your lordship may kindly see, my lord, page 48 top. Buddhadev Das. My lord, that is the petition number 5.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, so these are named, these are the persons who have been named in the FIR. Now your lordship sees the written complaint, which is at page number 55. My lord, this is the younger brother of the victim, my lord, who lodges this case. Lordship will see the political nature of this case on the written complaint itself, page 55.
Yes.
My lord will see, my lord, how these persons' name have been incorporated. Randomly, my lord, they have been incorporated. No role, nothing. Absolutely randomly incorporated.
No. Charge sheet has been submitted.
Yes, I am now coming to that, my lord. Lordship has asked me the most vital question, my lord, of this case. During the pendency of this writ petition, my lord, knowing that this particular case has been a method of targeted harassment to falsely implicate these persons who are residing far away, now your lordship will see the charge sheet. I am handing over a copy of the charge sheet. During the pendency of the writ, now I will place this charge sheet. How much vital it is. My lord, this is the police charge sheet, my lord. I am not going beyond the police papers. Lordship may kindly comes to brief facts of the case. My lord, has your lordship, my lord, got it? My lord, I am now placing it, my lord. My lord, I am leaving aside the first paragraph, my lord. Your lordship may kindly takes up, my lord, from the last 3-4 lines of the first paragraph, my lord. I interrogated all the accused persons thoroughly, and on interrogation they confessed their guilt. On the basis of their statement, Mithun Manna, Dulal Manna, and Shubroto Mehti were taken into police custody for getting more evidence and for proper investigation. In course of investigation, I took technical support for unearth the whereabouts of the rest of the accused persons. During the PC period, as per leading statement of the PC accused persons, some offending weapons have been recovered from the possession of the PC accused persons. They led us to secure the arrest of 2 involved accused persons, namely Shondip Bera and Sanjit Manna. On interrogation, the PC accused person, Mithun Manna, confessed that he, along with his other co-accused persons, namely, marks the names, Topon Manna, Deepak Manna, Sanjit Manna, Bishwajit Kaur, Debaprasad Mehti, Omolesh Mehti, Dulal Manna, Shubroto Manna, and others, beat my bull, leading to the death with iron rod, bamboo stick, wooden stick, bat wicket, etc. In course of our investigation, commission of the crime, Mithun Manna was injured by his own iron rod and received cut injuries, marks on his belly, but he hid it from the police and doctors, so the injury was not treated by the doctors. Later, Mithun Manna confessed this of tremendous pain and treated it to Bashulia Rural Hospital at the time of routine checkup. So, my lord, the accused persons were arrested. No one names the petitioners. My lord, as your lordship, my lord, got it. No one names the petitioners. My lord, in the entirety of charge sheet, now my lord, the most vital part. Now your lordship may kindly takes up, my lord, the second last page of the charge sheet. My lord, has your lordship, my lord, second last page of the charge sheet. My lord, it is top right, it is marked as page number 396. Yeah. Scrutinizing all evidences. This is the second paragraph. Starting of the page. Scrutinizing all the evidences, such as statement of witnesses, Caesar list, judicial statements, inquest report, post-mortem examination, a prima facie charge under section so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so has been well established. My lord will kindly see 20 persons are described in this charge sheet. My lord, your lordship can take it from me. My lord, after scrutinizing the charge sheet, these 5 persons, they are not named there. Right? Now, my lord, which is now going to be the most alarming part of this case. My lord, over here, your lordship will see, they will face trial in open court. If last, my lord, that paragraph only, last 4 lines. They will face trial in open court. Serial number 1 to 10 accused person in this serial have been arrested, and under JC, rest of the charge sheeted accused persons 11 to 20 are still absconding. So WPA and WA be issued against them. They are not amongst the 20 persons. My lord, thereafter paragraph also, my lord, 20 persons have been named against whom the charge sheet has been submitted. Now, my lord, your lordship may kindly takes up the last page of the charge sheet, where the absurdity of this entire case will lie. My lord, if your lordship may kindly sees the bold portion, it will be easy for your lordship's convenience. So, my lord, the sentence starting with so, the bold portion. So, WA/WPA kindly be issued against those accused mentioned from serial numbers 11 to 20 in column number 12 where in this charge sheet. The investigation is being kept open for collecting more evidence. Forthcoming evidences may unearth the involvement of the rest of the accused persons who have not been charge sheeted in the first charge sheet. As the investigation is being kept open for all FIR named accused persons and others, none has been discharged at this point of time. Provision under section 173(8) is being submitted supplementary charge sheet after obtaining FSL and further evidences. My lord, this is a case based on eyewitnesses and co-accused persons' statements, where these persons' names are not there. My lord, the political nature of this case is very evident from this line. They are keeping it on the basis of forthcoming evidence which will suddenly appear one day, my lord, right before any election, and I will be taken into custody. These 5 persons are FIR named accused persons. You evidently did not submit charge sheet against these 5 FIR named accused persons. In the charge sheet, you have clearly mentioned the role of all the accused persons.
So you have not been charge sheeted?
Not charge sheeted. Yet, the last, Lord, you will see the last page. What is the language used?
Now, your apprehension is that you might be arrested.
I don't know, my lord, over here, not only might be arrested. What is the language used? The investigation is kept open for collecting more evidence.
How do you apprehend that you being not charge sheeted, you will be apprehended?
My lord, if I can, my lord, I will clarify this. I will clarify. What you will see the letter.
No.
But may I interrupt one thing?
After filing of the charge sheet, the copies are supplied.
Your
and charge
lordship
will be
kindly
claimed.
I will not. I am.
Now the trial court will decide.
Let me complete my. Let me complete.
No, let lordship kindly.
This kind of.
Let me clarify. Yes. There is a process. After the framing of the charge date is fixed, the court is to consider whom to charge against and whom to discharge.
Right. Right.
You have not at all been charge sheeted.
But what is my line? Where is my apprehension? Lordship will seize, my lord. The last page.
No.
Forthcoming evidences. What is the language used? Forthcoming evidences may unearth the involvement of the rest of the accused persons who have not charge sheeted in the first charge sheet. The investigation. What is this? I am placing my case. What is this?
Blood charge sheet is not in the blood, not canvassing in the writ petition.
Obviously, I filed it in the FIR stage.
And there is no evidence, no case made out.
What is he saying, Malad?
Yes, yes.
Malad, if I can
Banerjee, please.
Fine, I'm sorry.
Malad,
I'm sorry.
Lordship will seize the words. Forthcoming evidences may unearth the involvement of the rest of the accused persons not charge sheeted. I am one of them. Right, my lord? As the investigation is being kept open for all FIR named accused persons. This is where my apprehension is. Lordship will see this kind of charge sheet, my lord. Your lordship must not have seen. Lordship has vast experience. What is this kind of language? Either I am involved or I am not involved. Either I am to be discharged or not discharged. What is this language? If investigation is being kept open for forthcoming evidences which may come for the rest of the accused persons who are FIR named. Let the police clarify this language.
After 30 years, 6 years of practice, Lord, I have come to this kind of blood.
I don't know why not.
Which is not in the writ petition.
I don't know.
Only one paper.
If he has a good case, let him be. It's their papers.
If I give you liberty to file supplementary affidavit and annex.
Lordship, can you consider on 29?
And if the state intends to, what is your submission?
My lord, I need protection, my lord. Because my lord, if I am, my lord, your lordship, my lord, let me do one thing. My lord, let me do one thing. My lord, may kindly, my lord, allows me to place this by way of supplementary affidavit. I'll serve it. Lordship fixes it, my lord, another. My lord, there are genuine, my lord, urgency. Let me file my supplementary affidavit.
Whether the writ petition is maintainable.
Let me file my supplementary affidavit and lordship fix it on the 29th. And my prayer is for CBI investigation. I have judgments on
CBI investigation accuses.
Yes, Bimal Gurung's judgment is with you.
Why you are shouting?
Right. The accused.
Bimal Gurung's judgment is there.
Writ petition.
And what's the
complaint? Where is the right of the accused person?
Filed by the petitioner.
Right.
Being aggrieved by the charge sheet filed in connection with being aggrieved by the investigation undertaken by.
My lord, only one page I forgot to show, my lord. My lord, lordship, see, number of persons not charge sheeted is nil. That is what they're writing. My lord, that, my lord, may be treated as a part of my submission. Charge sheet, because during the course of FIR, lordship sees the third page. Third page, number of accused persons charge sheeted is 20 and number of accused persons not charge sheeted nil. None, not charge sheeted nil. This is paragraph 11b. My lord, if they had a good case, my lord, they would have, if they had a good case, they would have submitted on merits instead of doing all this.
Petition is not maintained.
Nothing is
merit in the writ petition?
Challenging these alternative remedies there.
Lord, I'm sorry, Lord, your lordship, pardon me, Lord. I'm tendering uncalled for apology.
In connection with Mohishadal PS case number 231 of 2024, dated 25th May 2024. Where is your affidavit?
My lord, affidavit of service is there. This is my affidavit of service.
Mr. So-and-so learned advocate appearing for affidavit of over the doctor. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner taken on record. All have been served?
All of it, sir. They are all appearing.
Mr. So-and-so learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that during the
তাহলে মিলন দা আমার চিৎকার করবে ওখান থেকে ইংল্যান্ড থেকে এই মিলন দা চিৎকার করবে ইংল্যান্ড থেকে
during the pendency of the writ petition, charge sheet has been submitted against 20
accused persons, not
20 FIR named accused persons.
My lord,
21 accused persons, blood.
No.
Out of them, 20 blood. Just
not all FIR named accused persons, my lord. 20 charge sheeted persons, accused persons have been charge sheet has been submitted. Not all FIR named persons.
20 persons.
আরে চার
Not
থেকে
dependent,
যাই
20 persons.
All are not
আরে অ্যাকিউজ তো বটে
However, the charge sheet
আরে সবাই অ্যাকিউজ থাকে নাকি ও যদি আমাকে থ্রেট করে এখন আমি তো পরে তো বলবো যে না ও করেছিল
records that
কোর্টে করেছে
the
বাইরে করেছে।
investigation is being kept open for collecting more evidences, stop, and forthcoming evidences may unearth the involvement of raised accused persons who have not been charge sheeted in the first charge sheet, meaning thereby that the present petitioners may be charge sheeted
or illegally detained.
subsequently. This clearly shows that the charge sheet is a motivated one, and therefore the investigation should be undertaken by an independent agency. He produces a copy of the charge sheet dated 21st August 2024, filed in connection with Mohishador PS case number 213-1 of 2024. Within bracket GR number 1209 of 2020. Mr. Bansul, learned advocate, you are for respond number? You are appearing for respond number?
Sir, I'm for the respondent, private respondent.
Private respond number?
Private respondent as well as de facto complainant number 5.
5. Submits that the writ petition is not maintainable. He seeks to file affidavit in opposition to the writ petition. Mr. Banerjee, you
I
will
am
be
for the
filing.
state, Lord. Only my submission is this. There is no prima facie case made out because, my Lord, your lordship kindly peruse. On mere perusal, it will appear before the court that there is no prima facie case made out
Against us.
and, my Lord, charge sheet, who has placed the charge sheet today, he has not mentioned anything regarding the charge sheet. Though, my Lord, it was filed on 21st.
Submission, he seeks liberty to file supplementary affidavit seeking to file the copy of the charge sheet. Mr. Banerjee, Sapun Banerjee, learned advocate, appearing for the state respondent, submits that no prima facie case has been made out.
Because they have been exonerated from the charge.
Let that be recorded.
What is the, my Lord,
Let
what
that
is
be
the
recorded.
apprehension?
Let that be recorded.
No
Only
prima
apprehension
facie
they
case-
have got.
Not exonerated. Investigation is in progress.
And exonerated, এখন তো হয়েছে exonerated.
No prima facie
Let that be
case has been
Investigation
made
is in
out
progress.
to entertain the writ petition
Discharge করেছি, দেয়নি।
since
ঠিক আছে,
the
এগুলো কাজ
petitioners have not been charge sheeted. Do you seek to file any report?
My Lord,
Do you seek to file any report?
the report with me. I have brought the report.
He files the report.
Yes, I'm fine.
You are filing it?
My Lord,
You will file the report today, or
yes, today. Report is
he files a report which is taken on record.
But copy of the same be given.
Copy of the report be
Why?
আচ্ছা
served upon
ওই
Charge sheet দিয়ে আমাকে
অর্ডার দিয়ে দিতে হবে নিউ লিস্ট
the
Arey, state
learned advocate for the petitioner.
হয়ে গেল
Stop. Let the affidavit in opposition be filed by respondent number, only private respondent number 5.
মানে your lordship
Within a
is not,
period of-
Lord, your lordship is not disposing the writ petition.
No.
But the apprehension, there is no case
Well,
made out. But whatever cause of action, some cause of action.
But let the submission be recorded.
So for the prayers is concerned, so none of the prayers.
There is no cause of action. There is no deep, Lord.
You
Pray
cannot
for-
say that he has not produced the charge sheet. If you say that he has not produced the charge sheet, then that should come in the record.
Lord,
If anything has to be said over the charge sheet,
Lord,
because
I'm very much
because
bothered.
he is argument is based on the filing of the charge sheet where it says that the rest accused may be charge sheeted.
But only one thing.
So that should come in the record by way of supplementary.
Come in the record, but at the same time, Lordship, I bow down. But at the same time, your Lordship kindly consider 21st August charge sheet has been submitted. Today, my Lord, in the vacation page, neither he has prayed for any leave in the writ petition nor anything. He has not produced one charge sheet.
So leave is granted to him to file the supplementary charge, the charge sheet by way of supplementary affidavit. What is that?
No, there is no prayer as such. Lordship kindly consider that. And 21st August.
No,
today we are in October.
He does not pray for this.
Lord, I leave it to your Lordship. But at the same time, Lordship kindly consider.
For disposal of the present writ petition,
my Lord,
the allegation against the state relates to the charge sheet.
No.
Or else you produce the case diary.
Lord, there is no averment. Kindly see.
No, you then produce the case diary.
Yes,
29.
I will produce the case diary. But Lord, kindly see. Case diary is with us. Yes, your Lordship, the case diary and pass the order.
But then if I am exonerated, if they say I am exonerated right now, then my lord,
kindly see.
Can let them bring it on record. Let them
produce the case diary.
That is not written there.
Dispose karo. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of.
May I place the case record?
Yes, place the case record. Case diary. Affidavit of service filed on behalf.
My lord, let them show a statement implicating me. Because tomorrow, my lord, my apprehension is very clear. That I want this to be investigated by impartial agency. I don't want, my lord, this behind curtain policy, my lord, I don't want.
Is the matter
accused has a right to
affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. ওনার সাবমিশনটা সেম থাকবে, লিবার্টিটা কেটে দিন। সাপ্লিমেন্টারি অ্যাফিডেভিট যে লিবার্টি দিয়েছিলাম পিটিশনারকে, নাকি আমি পুরোটাই বলে দিই? হ্যাঁ, ওটা কেটে দিন। Mr. So and so, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, submits that. Just indicate the page number where the charge sheet is there.
My lord, page number. Page number.
Yes. Submit that. The
890 লেখা আছে।
charge sheet.
390. 390, my lord. 390.
Though not filed.
390, my lord.
390. Though not filed against the petitioner, but records that upon unearthing of further evidence, the rest of the accused persons may be charge sheeted.
FIR name, my lord.